In this video you will see how Sku Grid can monitoring the quantity of your suppliers. Let's look at the example of an eBay supplier. We need to display the Supplier Quantity column for Supplier Item Data in our table. It's very easy to do. Let's do it. Okay, now we see the Supplier Quantity column in our table. But now there is no data yet. Let's add quantity monitoring for our supplier. We need to make sure that Sku Grid supports our eBay supplier for quantity monitoring. Yes, eBay is on the list of supported suppliers. Okay, let's take a free trial for 7 days for 1,000 items. We will also enable monitoring for all our items and save the settings. There is no data yet on supplier quantity. It will take some time for Sku Grid to receive the supplier's quantity data. In our Shopify item we see in stock. Let's now add the settings to the Shopify Marketplace settings. Now we can set the supplier quantity after which Sku Grid will put our item in out of stock. Let's see what quantity our supplier has. We see the quantity 21. Okay, let's set the quantity to 20. This means if your supplier's quantity reaches less than 20, Sku Grid will put your item in out of stock. You can also use your supplier's quantity for your items. But to see the result immediately, let's set the quantity to 22 and save the settings. Let's check. Maybe Sku Grid has already received data on the quantity of our supplier. Yes, Sku Grid received quantity 21 for our supplier. Now we see that our item is in stock and the supplier's quantity is 21. In the marketplace settings, we set the minimum quantity to 22. Within a maximum of 30 minutes, our item should go out of stock. Let's wait a little. Success! Sku Grid put our item to out of stock because the quantity of our supplier is less than the quantity that we set in the settings of the Shopify Marketplace. You can also set individual settings for each item. Let's set for this item, if the supplier's quantity is less than 20, then put our item in out of stock. Updating item data. You need to wait a maximum of 30 minutes and Sku Grid will put your item in stock. Everything is fine. Our item is now in stock. Thank you for watching.